Hey guys, I'm just going to go through this video with you real quick. We put together it's how to make these most amazing keto friendly chocolate chip two-tone cookies. So you're going to add in your dry ingredients. You got almond flour, you got your sweetener, Monkfruit sweetener, baking soda, you got some salt. You're going to just kind of incorporate that together. And we're going to melt down our coconut oil. We're going to add that in. We're going to add our egg, our vanilla extract, and we're going to get that all mixed up. And we're going to divide these in two, because in one of them we're going to add our cocoa powder. Get that all incorporated. Add in the sugar-free dark chocolate chips and give those a mix. And you're going to add a piece from both and put them together. And put them on some parchment paper and bake them at 350. This recipe, if you make them a little bit on the larger side, should come up 9 to 10. Although if you cut the sizes in half, you'll get a lot more. It'll be a little bit smaller. So we're going to bake those again at 350, about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they start to turn golden brown. And they come out like you see here. They're actually really exquisite. Highly suggest this if you're struggling to do a keto diet and you still need something to satisfy your sweet tooth. We have a lot more recipes on the website, ketodad.fitness. Check that out, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and to ring the bell notification. Have a great day.